This is the S&P 500 SPDR ETF SPY one-day reading for December 13th, 2024. It's currently December 10th, 2024, 6:59 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $602.80 USD. The shuffle video for the December 13th reading was created on October 15th, 2024, 12:25 p.m. Eastern Time. If you're new to the channel, normally these videos are edited, but we needed to play some catch up to stay ahead of the market. I apologize for that. If you're used to the normally edited version of these videos, I apologize for that as well, my friends. I just like to point out, so we're in December, and so far the monthly has been spot on, guys. Right? We have a low significator on the 2nd, the first day of trading, right? And we have a highest high. Actually, we have a highest high thus far on the 3rd, 4th, and then a highest high on the 6th, and then we go back into a lowest low on the 10th. Highest high thus far on the 4th, highest high on the 6th, back into a lowest low, guys. Back into a lowest low on the 10th. This has been spot on. And if you're interested, if you're wondering, the shuffle file for the December reading was created on October 15th, 2024 at 1:53 p.m. Eastern Time. Saying something. So the overall theme and behavior for the 13th, we have a sideways S formation within a channel. It's very similar to the previous day. Also likely to be a pretty sharp drop at some point in the day. And then at the end of the day, most likely we have some sort of breakout. Behavior around the highest high for the day, we have a rally offering opportunity to close longs to open up shorts. And it's within close time proximity to the day's lowest low, out of which we have a big move from the bottom of the range all the way to the top of the range. Advised to trade around an important resistance level, where we likely flatten out. In the pre-market, we have a rally along a diagonal trend line, ending with a fast sudden move higher, and then a breakdown through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down. Decline increases with momentum. So we probably have a breakout right there just at the open. Maybe it's not at the end of the day. It could be at the open. The alternate would be at the end of the day. Sorry, guys. It's just the placement of the ruin. But if it's a fast sudden move higher breakout there, we have a decline increasing with momentum moving forward out of that high in the first half hour, turning into sideways rotation between roughly 10 and 11. And then between 11 and 12, we have a prominent peak that will sell off from into a day's low, out of which we have a huge move to the upside, taking us to a day's high. Day's low between roughly 12 and 1, day's high between roughly 1 and 2. A lot of price change should be covered there between that low and that high. And then we decline from there, from that resistance again, pretty notably into a trough around the trough bottoming around like 3 o'clock, maybe a little bit sooner. And then we have a rally that'll probably be back to close to lows. And then we have a rally out of those lows, increasing with momentum moving forward into a high that we most likely see right at the close or just after the close with some sideways rotation. U-shaped dip forming within the intersection of two perpendicular diagonal trend lines, taking place at some point on the 16th. And that's SPY for December 13th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go. You know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.